Good morning everyone. So this is day 4 here at Disney and today we are going to be taking on Epcot. Now today is going to be a pretty interesting day because it is literally pouring down rain all day. So we're going to be trying to figure it out. We were able to get a fast pass for Remy's Ratatouille Adventure at I believe it's 11:20 or 12:20, one of those. And then we also have a fast pass for Soarin' after that as well. So we have that figured out. It is going to be raining so hard. So I'm going to show y'all my outfit of the day, which you will likely only see for like 2 minutes. I did bring a change of clothes. I brought leggings and a sweater because I don't think I'm gonna be wearing this for long. I'm just gonna try and see if I can get any cute pictures in Epcot before the downpour, even though it's already downpouring. So we're gonna see what we can do, and if it doesn't work out, I'm just gonna, you know, throw all those plans into the air and just take the day as I can, which we're pretty much doing anyway. But I'm really excited because we do have the opportunity to ride some of the fun rides, so I'm really excited about that. And something I'm also doing is, since it is supposed to be raining super hard today, is I am trying out the new Patrick Star One Size Beauty Until Dawn Makeup Setting Mist. So I am really putting this to the test today. I followed the instructions, I sprayed it in a circle on my face. So we'll see if this actually holds up at the end of the day, how well my makeup stays on, because I am still wearing the same full face. So I guess we'll see how this works. So here is my outfit for the day. I kind of went for a little bit of the food and wine theme. This is the day my mom and I were most excited for. So if we're not able to walk around World Showcase as much because of the rain, we might try and fit that in to tomorrow afternoon if possible. But I have these gold and black polka dot mini ears that I got from World of Disney the other day, and I think they're really cute. Like I said, some of my ears didn't arrive in time. I actually had customized food and wine ears that I was so excited about, but these look really cute with the outfit. I got this kind of maroon velvet top. I got it from Ross. I love it so much. Ross had so many good finds the other day. And then I'm wearing my American Eagle jean shorts with a belt and then just some socks for the time being before I put on my tennis shoes. And then we have a little bit of a surprise because of course we happened to forget ponchos, which we didn't last time because we knew it can rain at any time, but we forgot them this time when we need them. So we made our own ponchos. Our hotel room happened to have 2 trash bags, so we cut like little holes in them for the time being. We're gonna go look at the gift shop here at our resort to see if we can actually buy some legit ponchos, but until then, we're like little ghosties. I really like it actually. So yeah, we have like these makeshift trash bag ponchos at the moment. We just cut a hole in the head and the shoulder, so if you're looking for a costume, go as a Disney person who didn't bring a poncho. But yeah, so anyways, we're gonna run over to the gift shop, see if we can find some ponchos, and then we'll let you know how that goes. But then we're gonna be heading over to Epcot to try and enjoy our day. My mom just said, just call us Forky because we're trash. And she's not wrong. She's not wrong at all. We found ponchos, so at least we have a hood. But how... This is my cosplay for Hunchback of Notre Dame, Quasimodo in Disney. Wow. Real ghost energy going on right now. Okay, let's go.
𝐿𝐸𝐸𝐿
So we just finished Remy Ratatouille's adventure and that was so much fun, but we are a little hungry, so we grabbed a snack over in Canada because we're heading back to our fast pass in Soarin'. So we decided to try the cheddar and bacon Canadian soup, and it comes with a pretzel. And it looks really good on this wet and cold day, so I'm excited to see how it tastes. That's really yummy and I would definitely recommend it, especially if it's raining. The pretzel looks really good too, so I'm gonna try that too, but absolutely delicious. And now we're gonna head over to Soarin'.
Hello and welcome to Soarin'. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today.
Again, we had our lunch, which was super yummy, and it did start raining again. It's been raining absolutely all day. It did stop for like 10 minutes, which was really nice. However, now we're going to ride just a few rides. We want to go ride Figment, and then we were really looking into just park hopping to Animal Kingdom. We were thinking of just doing Animal Kingdom in the morning tomorrow. However, because Epcot was the day we were looking forward to the most for the two of us, we're kind of thinking we want to be able to enjoy World Showcase tomorrow when it's gonna be a little bit nicer out and not raining the whole time. So we think we're gonna end up park hopping to Animal Kingdom this evening and trying to get all of those rides that we want in then, so that way we can just enjoy World Showcase at Epcot tomorrow morning. So that is the goal. So we're gonna go head over to Figment. Also, I got new ears. I ended up changing at lunch. I had brought my Stitch sweater that I got the other day, and so I changed into that and some leggings, so that way I'm a little bit more warm, and it's definitely helped a lot. And I got these new ears from the Creation Shop here in Epcot, so I feel cozier. I'm having a little bit better of a time. So now we're gonna go head over to Figment, and it's not raining too hard at the moment, which is really nice because I feel like I can get a little bit more footage. We have made it to Animal Kingdom. We're literally just here to ride rides. Unfortunately, these last 2 days that we're here aren't gonna quite go according to plan, but we're trying to make the most out of it, especially time-wise. So we're trying to ride all of the things that we want to do here, so that way we can kind of walk around World Showcase tomorrow and just enjoy the the beautiful day that we're gonna have tomorrow. Because we also, I believe we have a reservation for Be Our Guest tomorrow as well. So that's how we're gonna kind of try and balance it. We're under the trees right now, which is kind of helping save us from some of the rain. I might not be able to get that much footage while we're here, but I'm gonna try my best. But I can't afford to ruin my camera, so here's to trying. But right now we are headed over to Pandora so we can ride Avatar's Flight of Passage. At the moment there's only a 10-minute wait, so that sounds awesome. But here we are coming upon the Tree of Life. There's literally only like a 5-minute wait, and that 5-minute wait is walking to the ride.
Okay, sealed genetic matching room.
We're gonna go ride it again. So now we're going to ride Na'vi River Journey, and then honestly we might keep riding Flight of Passage because who gets the opportunity to just keep riding Flight of Passage like that? So at this point, this isn't even Animal Kingdom, this is just Pandora, but we're not upset about it. My tarp just got caught. Na'vi River Journey, which is beautiful as always. It's really nice when you don't have to wait in a line for it. It's even more beautiful. We're going to ride Flight of Passage for the third and final time for the evening because we are going to start to wrap our evening up just because it's been a long day. It's been a very cold, wet day, so we are looking to kind of wrap it up here soon. But I am excited because I've never seen Pandora at night. So I'm really excited to be able to see it. It is already getting dark, but it's going to be so beautiful, and so I can't wait. So we are finally back in our rooms from the park. We stopped at the El Mercado restaurant that we got the other night, the one that is kind of like room service, but you go pick it up and bring it back to your room. And we got 2 flatbread pizzas, and we also got some hummus as well, and we got a bottle of wine. So we are just here to chill for the evening. I'll show y'all what it looks like, but honestly we are just gonna chill for the rest of the night. So I'll show y'all what I got to eat, and then I'm probably gonna be going to bed. So our plan for tomorrow is, since we want to have kind of like a full Epcot day, we're going to be going to Epcot when it opens in the morning. We do have dinner reservations at Be Our Guest restaurant at Magic Kingdom at like 5:30, so we will park hop over there for that, but then we will be park hopping back because we do want to watch the new Epcot Harmonious fireworks show. So we're really excited about that. Hopefully the weather is a little bit nicer today. As long as it's not raining consistently and as hard as it was today, we should be in the clear, so fingers crossed, because we would just love to take World Showcase and just try some food, try some drinks, and it would just be so much fun. Before I take my makeup off, how did Patrick Starr's setting spray do? I kind of ignore this area just because I was wearing a mask, and so I do feel like that does a little bit of a disservice to the quality of a product because you're having something physically rubbing up against you. But regarding like my eye makeup and everything, I think it looks really good. I think it definitely has held up better than any of my other setting sprays. So I am really happy with how my makeup looks actually. Like, I was getting splashed in the face, I was getting so wet today, and so I definitely feel like it held up a lot better than other setting sprays I've tried. So I really am happy with the result. So definitely check it out if you guys want to get a really good setting spray. Based off of today, his is doing amazing. I'm gonna go hop in the shower and I will be back and I'll show y'all what we got for dinner. So this is our mini feast for the night. We got their margarita pizza, the pepperoni, and then we got the hummus, which the hummus is super, super good, so I highly recommend it. And then we're just having our wine. I'm gonna dive in and just relax and then go to sleep. So that is it for today's vlog. I know it was kind of all over the place. It was all over the place for me too, I promise. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stick around for my next video because it is my last day in Disney vlog, so I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy it. It's gonna be a full day of Epcot, and we're gonna be jumping over to Magic Kingdom for a little bit too, so it's sure to be a lot of fun. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!